What if I told you that the secret to a perfectly clean home has nothing to do with scrubbing harder, spending hours on your knees, or buying a dozen different products? What if the real secret, the one that nobody talks about, is actually doing less? If you're over 60 and you feel like keeping your home clean is getting harder every single year, this video was made specifically for you. Today, I'm sharing 8 lazy cleaning habits. Yes, lazy, that genuinely keep your home spotless with almost no effort at all. Stick around, because habit number 5 is a total game changer. Habit number 1 is called the one-touch rule, and once you start doing this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The rule is simple. Every time you pick something up, put it back in its proper place immediately. Don't set it down just for now. Don't create a pile to deal with later. One touch, done. Most clutter in a home doesn't accumulate because people are messy. It accumulates because we put things down with the intention of moving them later. Cut that habit, and your home stays tidy on its own. Habit number 2 is something I like to call the 2-minute wipe down, and it starts in the kitchen, the room that gets dirty faster than any other. Every single time you finish using the kitchen counter, stove, or sink, just grab a damp cloth and give it a quick 2-minute wipe. That's it. No deep scrubbing, no special cleaners, just a quick pass. Here's the magic. You'll never need to do a major kitchen clean again. Grease and grime never get a chance to build up, and that means no more scrubbing your knuckles raw on a Saturday morning. Habit number 3 will save your joints, your energy, and your patience. Stop carrying cleaning products from room to room. Instead, set up a small cleaning caddy in each major area of your home: bathroom, kitchen, and bedroom. Keep a spray bottle of all-purpose cleaner, a cloth, and maybe a small brush right there in the room where you need them. No more walking back and forth, no more forgetting what you were about to clean. This one small change makes cleaning feel effortless because everything you need is always right at arm's reach. This is one of my absolute favorites, the nightly reset walk. Every evening, before you sit down for the night, do one slow, relaxed 5-minute walk through your home. As you walk, just pick up what's out of place. Put a mug back in the kitchen, fluff a cushion, straighten a chair. You're not cleaning, you're just resetting. Think of it as tucking your home in for the night. When you wake up in the morning, you'll feel an immediate sense of calm because your space is already tidy before the day even begins. Okay, habit number 5, the one I promised would be a game changer. Ready? Get yourself a robot vacuum. I know, some of you are thinking, that's cheating, but hear me out. Floor cleaning is one of the most physically demanding, time-consuming cleaning tasks, and it needs to happen multiple times a week. A robot vacuum does it for you automatically while you sit and read, watch TV, or take a nap. You don't need the most expensive model. Even a basic robot vacuum that runs on a schedule will cut your floor cleaning time to almost zero. This single tool has changed lives, and for anyone who struggles with bending or kneeling, it is absolutely worth every penny. Habit number 6 is about using those little pockets of waiting time that happen every single day, but that most people completely waste. While your kettle boils, wipe the stove. While your morning coffee brews, empty the dish rack. While you're waiting for the microwave, wipe down the microwave door. These tiny micro-cleans each take under 60 seconds, but together they add up to a full clean home without any dedicated cleaning time at all. The secret is to stop thinking of cleaning as a separate task and start weaving it into the moments that are already there. Here's the truth that nobody tells you. A home that has less stuff in it is dramatically easier to clean. And that brings us to habit number 7, decluttering one small area every week. Notice I said small, not your whole garage, not your entire closet, just one drawer, one shelf, one cabinet. Every Sunday, or whatever day works for you, spend 10 minutes on just one small spot. Over a year, that's 52 small declutters. Your home becomes lighter, cleaner, easier to navigate, and you'll find that cleaning takes half the time it used to because there's simply less stuff in the way. Habit number 8 might be the simplest one on this entire list and arguably the most powerful. Make your bed the second you get out of it. Every single morning, no exceptions. Why? Because your bedroom takes up a huge portion of your mental space. Walking past an unmade bed, even in your peripheral vision, creates a subtle, low-level feeling of disorder all day long. But an instantly made bed, it signals to your brain, this home is under control. And here's the lazy part. You don't need to do hospital corners. Just pull the duvet up, straighten it, and arrange your pillows. 30 seconds. Your whole bedroom looks clean even if nothing else is done. And there you have it. 8 lazy cleaning habits that genuinely keep your home spotless even as life gets a little slower. None of these require heavy lifting, expensive equipment, or hours of your time. They just require a small shift in how you think about keeping your home. Remember, the goal isn't a perfect home. The goal is a calm home, a place where you feel comfortable, at ease, and proud every single day. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps this channel reach more people who need it. And if you want more simple, practical tips for living well as we get older, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves.